Hey everyone, Jeff here. Here's a quick demo on the O-Mouth Breath of Fire. The Breath of Fire is a short, rapid inhale and exhale repeatedly. It looks like this. But we'll go through it some more. But the purpose of it is to build respiratory health, relieve stress, and it also really helps improve your focus and mindfulness in general. But it's a great way to relieve stress and just flush out toxins in your body. You can do it through the nose or through the mouth. Right now, we're going to do it through the mouth. So what you want to do is focus on an equal inhale and an equal exhale. If you're going to focus more on either one, focus more on the inhale to ensure you get enough oxygen rather than overloading your system with carbon dioxide. So what we're going to do, we'll just practice really slow at first. Like I said, just make an O shape with your mouth and do a simple inhale followed immediately by a short exhale. All right, let's do that a couple times in segments. Now, as you inhale, you want to feel your diaphragm expand, and as you exhale, you want to feel your belly contract to your spine. Right, so it's going. Your belly is going in and out, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Practice that for a few moments. One thing I might add is that if you are pregnant or if you're in the first 3 days of your menstrual cycle, you don't want to do this exercise. It's too intense. It's not worth the risk. But instead, you can substitute it with long, deep breathing, such as all right. For those of you not pregnant or not on your first 3 days of your menstrual cycle, let's just do a minute of O-Mouth breath if I ever figure out how to fix my watch. All right, let's do it. I'm coming, I promise. All right, you can keep your eyes open or closed, it's up to you, but let's do 1 minute of O-Mouth Breath of Fire. Ready? Go. Inhale and hold. And cannonball breath out. And just relax. I don't know about you, but I feel more relaxed. Hopefully you do too, and hopefully that works for you in a good way. Thanks for watching.